Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to show you how to create a branded color palette to use in Instagram stories and similar places. If you've ever struggled to match the background of your stories to your brand's color scheme, you're going to love this trick. Step 1. Create the palette. I'm going to use Canva to create my branded color palette. You do not need to upgrade to the paid-for version in order to copy my trick. I use 7 main colors in my brand: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. So, I'm going to grab 7 squares from Canva's Elements tools, making each one a different color of my brand's rainbow. You can use circles, or other shapes, and you can arrange them however you like. You just need to make sure that each color is big enough for you to be able to use the dropper tool on Instagram. But we'll get to that part later. Now that I have all 7 of my boxes representing each of the colors of my brand, I add a text box over the top of each one. This is where I'll put my color codes. I don't need these for Instagram, but having the color codes safely stored in my camera roll has been very useful for me. Step 2. Stash it somewhere safe. Once the branded color palette has been created, it's time to save it, and then send it to your phone. Make sure you mark it as a favorite so that you can easily find it later, in your camera roll. Step 3. Use the palette in your stories. It's time to get creative. In your story, use the sticker tool to add an image from your camera roll. Don't worry, we're going to get rid of it later. It won't be on the finished story. Now, you can use the dropper tool to match the background, text, and other elements in your story to the colors of your brand. Step 4. Get rid of the palette. Before you send your story out into the world, make sure that you delete the branded color palette from it. You can simply drag it down to the bottom of the screen and into the trash can. And that's that. You have successfully matched the colors of your story to your brand. And you now have a handy reference sheet with your brand's colors right there at your fingertips, whenever you need it. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.